Just gonna do a really short video today. I left my camera mount back at my Airbnb, and then I tried to do a Loom video screen recording, wanting to walk you through the XG Boost model that I built, but I recorded 2 videos and the sound didn't work on either, so I'm giving up on it till I get back. So that's a video I'll make when I get back to Salt Lake City. I'll walk you through the code. It's about 550 lines or so, and it's basically a forecast. We're using import and export data, so I just did a CSV with these exports from a particular state, and then did a forecast that spit out a bunch of CSV files with analyses, as well as different figures, plots and whatnot. So I'll share that with you probably later in July when I get back, and I'm sure I'll have some other models built by then. We went over SHAP, SHAP values today, which I thought were interesting. Those are tough for me to explain. I think I still need to wrap my head around it, but we're able to see what those outputs look like in terms of charts, and that kind of helps to understand it. So it's tough for me to explain it without kind of walking you through some of the charts. And another thing worth noting, we've got next week, and then we wrap up the class. It's basically like a semester getting packed into one couple week period, so it's really intense, but definitely learn a lot. And what it does for me is kind of spark creativity. I'm already thinking about a number of other projects I could work on to both lead to papers or practical solutions for companies. So my goal is to get back here at least for a semester at some point. I don't know if that'll work out or not, but maybe in the spring or fall of 2026, because there's just so many really intelligent, smart people in the supply chain and logistics space out here. And obviously MIT has a great reputation, and everyone's really friendly. That's the one thing I noticed. I expected people to be on a pedestal and kind of look down on you if you didn't go to school here, but that's definitely not the case. I'm going to stay in touch with them even if I don't come back. So yeah, but one thing I'm looking forward to next week, we're going to get into agentic AI and neural networks. So that should help us on our project and should give me some more tools for my own dissertation. And what I'm trying to do is build out a library in my Dropbox of all these models, and same time mental models of how I can apply this in real life. I mean, it's one thing to write papers on it, but it's another to apply it in real life. So there's a food distribution company that has a problem with demand forecasting. So I'm already like, okay, I can build an XG Boost model for them and kind of play with that, do some back testing as well. And there's a whole other, I'm not a PhD in finance, but I see the overlap in terms of how you could do a bunch of back testing for different types of portfolios and stocks, fixed income, and alternatives as those allocations make up your portfolio. I'm not really going to focus on that, but maybe down the road. I'm strictly focused on routing, inventory management, demand forecasting right now. I want to finish the dissertation and then either start a company that has software that we sell, or be a consultant to where I go into companies and I build solutions for them. It's kind of a one-man band, and I leverage AI and machine learning, neural networks, etc. to do that. So I've already got a pretty decent skill set around Excel. So now that I'm getting some more of this programming down and have OpenAI to help build the models, I'm excited to see what comes of this. I really have no idea where this is going to lead down the road. I'm just trying to get a little bit better every day and learn as much as I possibly can. So family kind of asks what I'm going to end up doing, and I really have no idea. Got some kids by me right now, but I'm excited because I think it's heading in the right direction. I think this could lead to something down the road, at least where I can pay my bills, and maybe beyond that, it would be nice to make some money and give back to people in need. So again, grateful to God for being here. I know I say that in most videos lately, but truly am grateful to be here. I'm learning a lot, and definitely feeling at peace with everything. I just need to keep buckling down and working hard, and we'll see where this goes. Short video today. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good one. Bye.